Another day, another trade. We took a half hour loss here. I actually entered a little bit early, then I exited, then I went back to entering. Few reasons, not few reasons, for one simple reason. And the reason I entered here, right, on this supposed to be order block, I entered there, but I zoomed in and there was this. This has not closed above. Even though this is like a really good bearish close, I was not confident in that because you got a new 5 minute candle here right where I entered. That said, I decided, okay, I'm gonna wait. You can see that I exited here. This was like $50 loss. Then I waited a little bit more and I wanted to, see this break actually break because now you got the break of structure of this previous high, even though it's small. Then you got the break of structure right down. So to me, right, like this is pretty bearish. We're still inside this 5 minute fair value gap. So this is pretty bearish to me. What I do is I enter here and I enter here and I put my stop loss there and I was targeting this next 1 hour order block. So just a little bit above in case we front run it. Then you sort of get good reactions. You get this nice 5 minute candle close down here. You get this candle right here as well. So this is where I entered, closes there. I say, okay, I need to be patient. I don't want to see us going lower because me entering here is me assuming that this move up is the 5 minute wick and that we will expand higher. Turns out I was quite right. And we ended up closing here. Then a new 5 minute candle comes up. Uh, we sell off. This is also a new 15 minute candle. We sell off, we sell off, we sell off. Then there's a new 5 minute. And at this point, I said, okay, I need to be patient. I need to hold. But I don't want to see a candle close above here or price being, too bullish. That said, I ended up closing here for minus, I think, 60 or something. And then that leaves me with, minus 1 hour-ish for the day. Overall, I think that I was a bit impatient here. But then here, like, I think I would have still played this and bet that we would go lower. Even if we just swept this, go higher, and then go lower, I would still think this is the right play. I don't really know about the stop loss. I mean, I just saw this candle high and I assume, okay, we could we could sweep this, but yeah, I'm just trying to protect myself against this sweep if we go higher. That said, there was another trade that I wanted to take, and it was this one right here. This one right here. And premises of this trade was me targeting this 4 hour fair value gap, and I didn't enter. Why? Because this is a daily fair value gap right here, and I don't really want to short to a daily fair value gap with this stop loss. This is like statistical decision because in back testing, I've done this plenty of times, and a lot of times, like most of the times, it just ends up going to my stop loss because even if we just sell off from here to here, I get into a little bit of profit, and then it just goes higher. Turns out in this case it didn't, but then I would have still be creating a bad habit. So I don't know. I think like definitely not. I mean, sure, you got this break of structure, but this is a weak break of structure, I would say. You got that, and then you got this 1 minute order block, and then I got the whole 5 minute order block protecting me. But shorting against a daily level, it's the same as me. Where is it? I had like a daily. level marked on. Yeah, it's the same as me um, longing into this after this. So it's the same. Yeah, it's that one. It's the same as me longing here, which would have gave me probably a trade, but it's not really ideal. That said, I'm done for the day. Hopefully tomorrow we get a better day and hopefully we can finish. Like I'm down, I think probably like 2 hour, 2.5 hour this month, which is not bad at all, but I know I cannot have, every month to be profitable, but yeah, I was just so close to the payout, getting this a bit demotivating. But it is what it is. I'm back on trading like I should. No more mistakes. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. See you guys tomorrow.